Welcome back. I want to dedicate this video for my loved mom and my mother-in-law. So in this video, I'm going to share about the Mutra, whatever research I have done and whatever I've used for my personal life and also the recommendation made to our friends. So let's get on to the Mutra. So Mutra is nothing but a gesture. So as you have explained in the previous video, right? We got lot of God or Buddha in the temple. They have lot of mutras like Chin Mutra. They will use for meditation, right? So a lot of mutras have been presented to us. So we should consider that and try to research and take what is best for us. So this is so divine and powerful. Our hands have a healing power to make our energy in a good shape. So the concept is the energy, whatever we are getting in our body, so the energy will flow through our hands, especially on the tips. So that is so powerful, we can make use of it. So now let's move on to the agenda, what I have today, like five elements and what are this energy flow and my interaction and basically the tips I learned from Dr. Vasant Lad and through other online research and meetings. So let's go to the five elements. So I have pasted two images from the internet. So if you see right, we can see the Agni, this fire, air, space, water, earth. These five elements are represented as part of the fingers, as well as our front side of our body is represented in the palm, and the back side is representing our back side of our body. So that's a fundamental concept for people who like to visualize, right? The five elements, the fire, they can think like this in their mind so that it will be having a good stage to move on. Okay, so now let me go back to this one. As I told before, the energy flow is coming after the tips. So now I will go back to the balance and control. So if we take the fingers right, we'll have like a position like this or a position like this, right? So what's a fundamental concept is it's like a electric circuit. When you just join these two fingers, the corresponding element will be having the flow and it will help internally, right? So this one is called balance. So we are balancing the flow, and this one or this one, like whatever we are doing, this is called controlling. So when that particular element is excess, so we should control it. Basically whenever space element is more, we can control like this. Whenever air element is more, we can control like this. When we want to balance the air element, we can do. So similar concept applies to all the fingers and the elements. So let me show you one more picture. So in the internet, I search for the Google images. This is all the sample mutras. I can show you like a Rudra Mutra. If you see in the Rudra Mutra, they are balancing right here like this. And then if you see here the Linga Mutra also, they are doing like this. And if you see this Apana Mutra, they are controlling. And this Jnana Mutra or Chin Mutra, they are balancing. So there are multiple ways of handling this one. This is similar something to like cooking, like it's an art, right? We may have n number of ingredients, but how to use it to our individual taste, it depends. So each cook has their own specialization and each food has their own quality. Similar to that, this mutra, there is no limit. We can use in any form which will really help us. So we should try that one. There is no external medicine or anything. It's just our hands. So this has become very popular in yoga in the long time, but now it is being traveling across the globe, and many people are getting benefit out of it. I see a lot of Americans also do these mutras, and they have a lot of workshops and educational stuffs going on around this mudras. So let me go back. So I want to share a couple of powerful mudras. Right, the first one is for the heart. So this is where I want to share about my mom and mom-in-law. So both have had a cardiac arrest and they passed away. Right. So this is a very powerful mudra. Like the simplest form is we can do like this. This is the air element. When the air element is more, right, it's coming up and it'll be having more imbalance in this area. So when we are doing like this, right, the simplest form, we can also do like this. So, but the simplest form is this one. If we control this air, right, it will reduce the airflow downward and then it will help in heart ailments. So the fundamental thing is people who are in pain, they can't do their own points. Like people who are in conscious state, right, and who are seeing the patients or they're waiting for the 911 or any emergency vehicle to come. In the meantime, they can try this point, like they can hold the hands of the patient who is suffering from the pain, and then they can try to hold like this until we have the 911 or any emergency people coming and helping us to until we reach the doctor. This has helped many people, right? So who are conscious, when we are in an emergency, our mind will get locked. We may not able to think, right? So for example, in my mom and mom-in-law case, I was not close to them. I was away from them. So I could not do anything about it. But if I was there with them, I would have tried this one. That might have helped them. So that is one request I want to make for everyone. Like whoever is able to have their mind strong and they can try to their parents or anybody who is suffering till they reach the doctor hospital, right? They can try to do this one. And the next one is for the addiction, right? So many people are getting addicted and they want to come out of it, but they can't come out that easily. So I have seen one video from an Indian diabetic doctor. So he was sharing a mudra called Kubera Mudra. So Kubera Mudra is like having a good faith and prayer. So we can try to have that Kubera Mudra. So what he recommended is, right, people who are going under addiction, who are the part of their family, right? They, as a family, they can sit together and do this Kubera Mudra, and then they can see the effect over 3 to 6 months. Some mental changes will be happening to the person who are getting addicted. So as a family member, if you want help, you can try that Kubera Mudra. And another important thing which I learned, and my friend also shared this one to me, like a painkiller or energize. So when we have these 5 fingers, right, we have all the 5 elements. So when we join it together, we will get the benefit of all the elements and we can control it. If you see, right, we are controlling or we are balancing the elements. So if you are having any pain in your body, right, when you are having a pain in a stomach or in your liver area or in your spleen area or in a pancreas, so wherever it is you have the pain, you can hold like this and then keep it over there for 10 to 15 minutes, right? Then it will really help. I have got good feedback about that. So people can try this mudra and then they can get use of it. And another thing I want to share is about the Keshari mudra. This is not with the hands. This is with the tongue. Keeping, and in the yogic practice, it's one of the advanced technique. They will roll the tongue and keep it in the upper palate. And if they keep like this, so what happens is this having a good energy balancing in your chakra system. So when you're close this to the upper palate, what will happen is the energy flow, whatever is going on in your chakra system, that will keep rotating and that will really help you. And moreover, people who are having speech problem, they can try to do this one. If people who are really singing, right, and they want to go for a stage performance, and if they lack some energy, they can do this. That will really help them to speak very well and sing very well as well. And another important point over here is on the terms of the hormones, right? So when you keep the upper palate thing, the chakra system, right? The chakra system will be activated, and then you will be getting a good energy flow. So over the time, if you keep doing it as part of your prayers or any other modality you are following, if you try to keep that way, that will really take you to the next level. And another point I want to share is about Dr. Vasant Lad tips. So as part of the consultation or the meeting with him, right, people will be asking you question. Even I also got asked few questions. So what he recommended is, like, this is a fire element, right? When you guys are having severe headache, there will be more fire element will be going on in your system. So what he suggested is a simple technique. Just this is fire element. Take your another hand, just hold it for 5 to 10 minutes when you're in a restaurant or wherever you may be, or watching a TV. You can do at any place. Just hold it like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can definitely see there is a difference in your headache. And even if you take like any air element issues like burping or anything like that, the simple way to hold like this one, it can balance. So that is like that. Similarly, water element, every element we can hold like this, whichever you need to balance. So that will have a real good impact to you. That's one of the secret I want to share with you guys. And another thing I want to share is about Dr. Bhaskar Jayaraman. So Dr. Bhaskar Jayaraman is a cardiologist in Salem, Tamil Nadu. So people can search whoever is near Tamil Nadu, they can look it up. So I had one of the family consultation with him to check on the echo and other stuffs. So this doctor is a pretty different doctor. What I mean is, he wanted to follow both the Western and Eastern methodology. So this doctor has been researching about Dr. Vasant Lad, Dr. David Frawley, and he's been following a lot of good natural Ayurvedic or yoga style. And his main passion is to have his patients to be in a good state of health. So he also hosts a couple of workshop or something like that for the patients. He'll be guiding them. He is always trying to look forward. So when I met him, I was sharing few things about the acupressure and other stuff. So I will post about that one in the separate video for about the heart ailments. So he is one of the good doctor people who are in Salem, Tamil Nadu, those area. I highly recommend you can go and meet him, so that he will give you the best of both the worlds. So using the mudra, we can take our life pretty easy, right? We can try to control the basic issues. Not all the emergency issues can be handled with mudra. You should always consult your PCP to make your system is working fine. But these are the things we can try yourself when the problem is in a starting stage. Let's get the use of mudra. So please hang on. I will be sharing more videos. Thank you very much.